Hello and welcome back to the Motocross Vault presented by Blinzall. My name is Tony Blazer, and what this video is going to cover is just a quick look at some videos I shot yesterday. My best friend Jamie Connor, the guy I've been riding with for many years. If you looked at any of the other videos on this channel of our riding videos, usually Jamie's the guy I'm riding with. We grew up riding. Once we both got into motorcycles in the late 80s, we really have been riding buddies all through the years. And it's funny, 10, 15 years ago, it was me that had all the bikes, and Jamie had like one. I used to have a garage full of 4 or 5 at a time. Now I had kids, Jamie doesn't, and now he's the guy that has 4 or 5 bikes, and I have none. So in any case, he was lucky enough yesterday to pick up a brand new 2021 YZ250 two-stroke, and I rode down there with him to go pick it up at Fredericktown Yamaha in Frederick, Maryland. Shout out to my buddy Ian over there and Richard. Great guys. If you need a Yamaha and you're anywhere in the Northern Virginia, Maryland area, go see Fredericktown Yamaha in Frederick, Maryland. Take good care of you. So in any case, we went down there, picked up his new YZ, and then rode back to his house. And I just took a couple video of him firing it up. I also got a chance to try out his new RM he got a little while back. He picked up a really nice RM125 in 1990. My other friends, Trent Thomas, said I had 89 back in the day. This is back in like 90. When it was pretty new, and I always loved that bike. And then Jamie actually picked up a 91 in the early 90s, had one as well. So none of us ever had a 90. I think the 90 is maybe one of the best looking bikes of its era. Great looking Suzuki. I love this little motorcycle. I got a chance to ride a little bit. I hadn't ridden one in so long. My substantial girth now makes the 125 a little bit of a struggle, but it's still fun riding around. I just love 125s. You just pin them everywhere. It's funny though, after getting off the 21, the brakes don't work on that bike. The suspension feels like it's a marshmallow, and of course a lot less torque, but it was still fun. So I thought everybody might want to check this out. This is just a quick little couple of videos we shot of the new 21 YZ, which I love the new blue look. It's a real good look. And his really cherry 1990 RM125 as well. So hope you enjoy this. See if the old 90 will fire up here. Oh yeah. Oh man, it smells good. It smells really good. What is that? What do I smell? What kind of fuel is it? Is it? God damn, it smells awesome. The YZ here.
Pull that stand up here.
All right. On the concrete?
Yeah.
All right. We just brought it home. Brand new 2021 YZ250. It's a pretty machine.
Is it 1 or 2 kicks?
Let's see. Oh dear, that's you're setting yourself up for failure saying that.
I know.
First kick. Sounds good. Bike. How'd it feel? Feel pretty tight? It doesn't smell as good as the RM though. Yeah, the red, you got. Taking it for its little inaugural run down the road here. I just took his RM for a ride. This thing is so fun. It's got race gas in it. It smells awesome. Super fun little machine. It really labors under my 230 pounds though. it's not fat guy friendly. I felt like I might have to gear it down a tooth or two. MXA soft. Sweet. Brap. This is Tony Blazer for the Motocross Vault presented by Blinzall. If you're in the market for some high quality racing oil for your 2-stroke or 4, make sure you go to blinzall.com and use our discount code VAULT20 to save 20% at checkout. Thank you for all the support.